So I blew a hose on the backhoe a little while ago, and I had a hydraulic crimper for a while, and I just haven't had a chance to use it. So we're going to make a new hose for the backhoe today. I got some 43 series Parker ends, piece of 1/2-inch hydraulic hose, crimper with the 1/2-inch die rings. So what we have to do here is go to the chart. It's actually 304 hose, and we need the blue die with the black die ring to get the proper crimp. So we're gonna lube up the die and the die ring, stick the hose in the crimper with the hydraulic fitting, and crimp it on there. Bottom the die ring out onto the bottom. Go, hydraulic hose all made up. Hopefully there's no leaks. You check the crimp with the caliper and see if it's within spec. So as long as it's in spec.